Did you know that your brain is the primary barrier to achieving success? It's not external factors like a weak economy, limited opportunities in a particular country, or a lack of financial resources to get started. These are merely excuses created by your neurons because they are accustomed to operating in that manner. Just imagine, once you reprogram your brain, you can instantly eliminate the belief that becoming wealthy is difficult, escaping the cycle of poverty is impossible, and transforming your life is unrealistic. Everything will dramatically change, and you will attain wealth and success, while the negative thoughts of helplessness vanish forever. Renowned neurobiologist Andrew Huberman has gained widespread recognition and popularity by uncovering the fundamental steps needed to revolutionize your thought patterns and redirect your life toward prosperity. In this video, I will unveil the main components of his extraordinary algorithm. Welcome to the Book Blend channel, where you can join a community of individuals who aspire to and achieve financial freedom with a simple click of the subscribe button. Andrew Huberman's reputation has soared in the past year, and rightfully so. As a neurobiologist and professor of neurobiology and ophthalmology at Stanford University, Huberman explains intricate biological processes in a comprehensible and accessible manner, demonstrating their impact on our abilities. Huberman has revealed that for some individuals, spending just 20 to 30 minutes in sunlight can empower them to take control of their lives, while others can achieve similar results by consuming omega-3 fatty acids, such as common fish oil. Moreover, Andrew has shared his groundbreaking 9-step algorithm, which elevates human potential through straightforward and consistent actions. Let's delve into these steps and explore how they can unlock new levels of personal growth and achievement. Get into a state of special readiness and activate your brain's neuroplasticity, which is its ability to change its structure and functions to adapt to new experiences. To do this, you need to mobilize your consciousness. One simple way to do it is by using a special breathing technique. Perform 20 to 30 breathing cycles, making sure to take deep breaths through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. After the final exhale, hold your breath for 25 to 60 seconds. Huberman explains that the lack of oxygen will activate your frontal lobes and trigger an adrenaline rush. Then take another breath and hold it again. By practicing this technique every day, you can reprogram your brain and body to quickly perform tasks that come your way. Focus. Now is the time to learn how to concentrate your attention on a task in order to complete it quickly and effectively. For example, budget calculations, setting goals for the next month, and so on. To effectively focus, literally choose an object and concentrate on it for 30 to 60 seconds. It can be a photo frame or a flower. During the moment of focus, neural chains in your brain start working, leading to the release of the neurotransmitter acetylcholine, which speeds up signal exchange between nerve cells, as explained by Huberman. Once the designated time is up, start working on the task. Initially, it may be challenging to concentrate, but try using this technique every time you start a new action. Within a week, you will notice how clearly and quickly you focus on specific tasks. Repeat consistently. This applies not only to information that needs to be memorized, such as a presentation for a seminar or exam preparation, but it's also important to repeat actions that you need to master in your work. Particularly important are negotiations with foreign partners. Practice and repeat speaking their language not only during specific meetings but also regularly, as it is crucial for your career growth. Essentially, repetition is like training. Huberman explains that the key is to identify the areas where you need to excel. It's okay to make mistakes. Mistakes are catalysts that mobilize the neural connections of your consciousness. When they are absent, your brain relaxes. It's no wonder that most successful people on our planet consider mistakes the best thing that ever happened to them. Thanks to mistakes, we become more attentive, better prepared to handle new challenges when they arise. Start your own business, and don't be afraid to fail. Even if it happens, you will extract the most valuable lessons that could occur in your life, and next time, success will surely await you. Like this if you're not afraid of making mistakes. Take short breaks. It never hurts to take a break in any endeavor. Although it may seem that breaks slow down processes, Huberman believes that a short pause actually accelerates the assimilation of information. According to research, during 10-second breaks, it is crucial to do absolutely nothing. Neurons in the hippocampus and cortex reproduce the same actions as during the learning process but 10 times faster. Similar processes occur in the brain during deep sleep. So don't hesitate to take short breaks, as recommended by Huberman, and they can even be taken every 2 minutes. It is especially useful when acquiring knowledge that can radically change your life. Hang a note about the importance of short breaks above your workspace, and you will undoubtedly perform this action frequently and achieve brilliant results. Reward yourself for your accomplishments. The reward mechanism influences neural connections closely linked to brain networks that affect motivation and goal pursuit. However, it is crucial that the reward is unpredictable and intermittent. Casinos use a similar technique to keep people playing. At first glance, it may seem impossible to reward yourself unpredictably. However, that's the challenge, says Huberman. Once you learn to do it, you will be pleasantly surprised by how much your motivation increases. 90 minutes, the golden number. Huberman's research, along with other professors, has shown that the majority of people maintain their maximum concentration and focus for no longer than an hour and a half. Therefore, Andrew recommends taking a break after 90 minutes. The length of the break can vary. Trust your instincts, but be careful not to overdo it. It's easy to fall into the trap of complete relaxation, making it much harder, if not almost impossible, to return to work afterwards. Take the right kind of break. If you've been sitting at a computer, make sure to stand up and walk around. Maybe even step outside for some fresh air. If you've been talking a lot, take a moment of silence. Don't make any phone calls during this time, or vice versa. Engage in a light conversation with a friend if you've been silent before. Change the actions you were doing during the learning or work process completely. This way, you will recharge with maximum energy and be able to effectively continue with all tasks after the break. For example, during intense work, use the deep relaxation rule without sleep. Eliminate all distracting factors and engage in meditation for 15 to 20 minutes. Afterward, you will undoubtedly feel energized and full of strength. Get a good night's sleep. Despite the relaxation and rest techniques mentioned earlier, one of the most crucial factors is deep and restful sleep. Huberman states that the main work of restructuring neural networks to integrate new skills and knowledge occurs during sleep. During this time, information is not received from sensory organs, as during the working day, but rather from memory. Every night, our brain analyzes the information received and structures it, filtering out the unnecessary and connecting what's important. So make sure you get enough sleep to build a successful career and earn millions. According to Andrew Huberman, maintaining a balance is crucial. He emphasizes the importance of hard work along with taking breaks and developing the ability to swiftly and accurately shift your mindset, as the brain possesses remarkable plasticity. By investing a little effort and following these recommendations consistently, you can effortlessly ascend to the position of a leader in a multi-billion-dollar company or simply start earning a substantial income. The outcome depends solely on the goals you set for yourself. What area do you aspire to achieve success in? Share your goals and aspirations in the comments below. I'm genuinely curious to learn about the ambitions that drive you, esteemed viewers. Welcome to the Book Blend channel, where your wealth will flourish.